Summer is here, and what better way to embrace it than with a new, high-quality fiberglass pool from San Juan Pools. For years, we've been diving headfirst into making your backyard experiences the best they can be, and we've done this with a splash of hard work and the highest quality materials you'll find anywhere. Our skilled San Juan craftsmen devote meticulous attention to every detail, designing and constructing the finest swimming pools in the industry. Quality isn't just a buzzword here, it's our way of life. Our goal is to help you find the pool of your dreams. We boast the largest network of fiberglass pool dealers in the nation, ensuring we can pair you up with the best dealer to bring your dream backyard to life. Get in touch today. We'd be thrilled to provide a free estimate and start planning your summer paradise. Remember, the best summer memories are made in a San Juan pool. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.